Good morning, all of you. This is Sai Kiran sir from SK Chemistry Academy. Today I am going to teach you the very important from the organic chemistry, that is what reduction of organic compound by lithium aluminum hydride. So ये देखो यार, ये जो lithium aluminum hydride है, this is very important reagent है in JEE Advance में, JEE Mains में and the NEET. एंड मार्केट में कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम देखो, जैसे कि IIT जाम एग्जाम एंड CSR नेट, कोई भी एग्जाम के लिए लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट रिएजेंट है. एटलीस्ट वन क्वेश्चन आता है इसके ऊपर. सो यार आज आपको मैं ये पढ़ाऊंगा जितने भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड है वो जो लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड के साथ रिडक्शन रिएक्शन दिखाता है. तो वी विल डिस्कस दैट ऑल द रिएक्शंस. सो इन दिस वीडियो I will give the detailed explanation of all organic compounds which reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, so let's get started. Here lithium aluminum hydride, this is our reagent. ये जो है this is what LiAlH4 lithium aluminum hydride. So lithium aluminum hydride, it is very strong reducing agent. देखो lithium aluminum hydride we can also represent LaH is much stronger reducing agent than sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride भी एक उसके लिए एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा. Sodium borohydride it is a mild reducing agent. It reduces only aldehyde, ketone and acid chloride. Only तीन functional group के साथ reduction कराता है. And but this lithium aluminum hydride is what very strong. This is what very strong reducing agent than sodium borohydride. It reduces almost all carbonyl compounds and their derivatives. Derivatives means what? Carbonyl compound, carboxylic acid, acid chloride, amide, acid anhydrides. Okay. So cyclic ester, lactones, lactam, all reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. And और एक point important है, it react almost explosively with water and alcohol. क्योंकि lithium aluminum hydride है highly reactive है, क्योंकि हाइड्रेट आयन देता है. So it will react with water or alcohol to give H2 gas, so that it is used in anhydrous condition. So what is the structure of lithium aluminum hydride? देखो lithium aluminum hydride का structure, this is what lithium aluminum और hydride. Hydride है, this is what hydride मतलब क्या होता है? H माइनस को हम hydride बोलेंगे. Okay, H प्लस को हम प्रोटॉन बोलते हैं. Now देखो, this is what structure of lithium aluminum. This is a lithium. नॉर्मली एल्यूमिनियम का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +3 है, तो एक्स्ट्रा हाइड्रेट है, इसलिए इट गेट्स अ नेगेटिव चार्ज. सो नॉर्मली लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रेट इज व्हाट? हाइड्रेट डोनर है. कैसे डोनेट करता है? देखो ये हाइड्रेट है, इलेक्ट्रॉन के साथ बाहर चला जाता है, देन यू विल गेट व्हाट? AlH3 एंड दिस इज व्हाट? H माइनस हाइड्रेट डोनर एंड दिस इज व्हाट? लिथियम. सो लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रेट इज व्हाट? हाइड्राइड डोनर. क्लियर? Hydride donor. Okay, now we'll discuss the various functional groups which are reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. Clear? थोड़ा घबराओ मत, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कंपाउंड्स ले रखा है मैंने. घबराओ मत, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कंपाउंड्स ले रखा है मैंने. So these are the compounds reduced by, these are the compounds here. This is what? Compounds reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. मैंने यहाँ पे एक लिस्ट दे रखा हुआ है, स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखो. तो वन बाय वन ईच एंड एवरी कंपाउंड आई विल डिस्कस इन दिस वीडियो. रिडक्शन ऑफ कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड. कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड मीन्स व्हाट? aldehydes and ketones. So normally what does it mean? Reduction means what? Here what? Reduction means what in the organic compound? Simple. Reduction means what? Addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen atom and removal of oxygen atom in the organic chemistry. In the inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, what? Loss of electron, oxidation, and gain of electron is what? Reduction. So we will discuss here addition of hydrogen. Reduction means what? Addition of hydrogen. So lithium aluminum hydride gives the hydride ion, two hydride ions here. I will discuss the mechanism. For the time being, consider only two hydride ion. This two hydride ion, one hydride ion attach here, this pi bond will break, and this oxygen also will take one hydride ion. So you are getting what? Alcohol. Okay, alcohol you are getting. Suppose if you take the aldehyde, so here what, here also we have the pi bond ना, break this pi bond, ये pi bond आपको break करना है, break the pi bond, add one H, here also one H, so you are getting what, 2 this is what primary alcohol, aldehyde gives what, 1 degree alcohol, primary alcohols. Now this is a ketone, same, यहाँ पे जो pi bond है आपको break करना है, add the 2 hydrogen, one hydrogen at oxygen, one hydrogen at this carbon atom, so you are getting what, this was 2 degree alcohol, secondary alcohol. Clear now? Secondary alcohol. Okay guys, now we will discuss so how this reaction will takes place, that is a mechanism. See JEE मेंस और एडवांस नीट के लिए आपको मैकेनिज्म कोई नहीं पूछेगा, आपको क्या याद रखना है, लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रेट दिया, इसका मतलब कार्बोनिल ग्रुप का पाई बॉन्ड ब्रेक करना है, एक H ऑक्सीजन के साथ, एक H क्या करना है कार्बन के साथ, आपको मिलेगा अल्कोहल। मैकेनिज्म कोई नहीं पूछना, आपको रटना है सिर्फ लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रेट रिड्यूसेस एल्डिहाइड या कीटोन को किस में कन्वर्ट करेगा, अल्कोहल। मैकेनिज्म नहीं पूछने वाला है, फिर भी फॉर योर सेल्फ सैटिस्फैक्शन आई एम गिविंग द मैकेनिज्म हियर। दिस इज व्हाट मैकेनिज्म। सो एनी कार्बोनिल ग्रुप वेदर इट इज एल्डिहाइड कीटोन डजंट मैटर। सपोज अगर यहाँ पे इफ यू पुट द R एंड दिस इज H, दिस इज व्हाट एल्डिहाइड, अगर सपोज यहाँ पे H के बदले में इफ यू पुट द R इंस्टेड ऑफ H, so it become to ketone, okay, doesn't matter. Now lithium aluminum hydrate is what, hydrate donor, electron rich. Now this carbonyl group is what, it is act as a electrophile. See here, this is a carbon atom, oxygen is what, more electronegative, then what happened, this more electronegative will take the pi electron. So now see, oxygen get negative charge and here with positive charge. Now this hydrate along with, hydrate means what, H minus, this hydrogen along with its sigma electron attack here, then oxygen get negative charge, that negative charge is attached with what, this lithium, and here what, after removal of one hydrogen आपका बचा क्या है, AlH3। अभी देखो ये जो AlH3 है, वन हाइड्रोजन देने के बाद और इसके पास 3 हाइड्रेट आयन है, 3 हाइड्रोजन आयन है, तो और ये 3 मोल के साथ रिएक्ट होगा, कैसा रिएक्शन होगा, दिस इज लिथियम, दिस इज ऑक्सीजन, नॉर्मली दिस इज व्हाट नेगेटिव चार्ज, सो अगेन this is what aluminum is act as a Lewis acid, vacant 3d orbital होता है, तो it will take, okay, oxygen, aluminum get what, Al minus, and this lithium is associated with this negative ion, then once you get, see again here electron rich hydrate now generated, see here, now this hydrate ion, how many hydrate ions is there here, 1 2 3, now see in the first one hydrate react with one कार्बोनिल ग्रुप, एक के साथ रिएक्ट हुआ, इसके पास और कितना हाइड्रोजन है, 3 हाइड्रोजन है, तो आप ये ना 3 कार्बोनिल ग्रुप लो, ये एल्डिहाइड या कीटोन, ये वापस यहाँ पे रिएक्ट होता है, टोटल 3 मोल लिया मैंने, यहाँ पे 3 बार रिएक्शन करना पड़ेगा, सो इन द वन स्टेप कंसिडर 3 मोल्स, सो अगेन यू विल गेट द नेगेटिव चार्ज, टोटल these are the 3 moles and initially 1 mole, total 4 moles reacted here, so 4 moles यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट and Al minus and this is lithium plus, then after what, hydrolysis क्या होगा, H plus, so this O minus will take the what, here H plus and lithium aluminum hydroxide and this lithium है वो lithium hydroxide में कन्वर्ट होगा, जो एल्यूमिनियम है वो एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड कन्वर्ट होगा, सो बाय प्रोडक्ट आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, टोटल यू आर गेटिंग आउट 4 मोल्स, सो कीप इन योर माइंड, सो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, आपका जो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप है वो अल्कोहल में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, लेकिन वहां यहाँ पे 1 मोल ऑफ सी 1 मोल lithium aluminum hydride reduces how many moles, reduces 4 moles of carbonyl compound, carbonyl compounds, clear, so 1 mole of lithium aluminum hydride reduces 4 moles of carbonyl compound, आया समझ में, now keep in your mind, so this is what, reduction of aldehydes and ketones, mechanism समझ में आया ना, so in each and every reaction, see after you will discuss ester, amide and carboxylic acid, same reaction will repeat, okay, next see some examples, this is what, one cycloketone, cyclohexanone, so lithium aluminum hydride we have to what, only break the pi bond, just break the pi bond, and this is what, C double bond to become 2H, alcohol you are getting. Here also see, this pi bond is not reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. Alkenes are not reduced by lithium aluminum hydride. So this is double bond and here it become 2H. But there is one case, This is what unsaturated, this is what alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So when reduced with lithium aluminum hydride, only carbonyl group is reduced. But if the pi bond, see, suppose if this pi bond is attached to phenyl group, now this pi bond is what resonance with this phenyl group. In this case only your pi bond is reduced. Keep in your mind. Pi bond become to what? Double bond become to single bond. When phenyl is attached to pi bond. Suppose one more. See here. This is what one aldehyde. Consider here this one. So if you treat with lithium aluminum hydride and followed by acid hydrolysis. So this pi bond also reduced here. Why? This pi bond is attached to phenyl group. So when phenyl group is attached to pi bond, then only pi bond is reduced, because that pi bond is what? Delocalized with phenyl group. That's why. So this is what aldehyde become to alcohol and this pi bond become to single bond. Understood? This is what very, very important example. Now let's see reduction of esters. So aldehyde we finished up. Reduction of esters. So I will give one shortcut method, reduction of the ester. So no need to write this mechanism. So I given here mechanism for your satisfaction. But exam में आपको क्या याद रखना है? How to remember? See, in the reduction, lithium aluminum hydride provide the hydrogen to hydrogen initially. So it what? Break it. So this is Me means what? Methyl group. So this is converted into what here? This is converted into here one hydrogen attached aldehyde. You will, this ester is converted into what? Aldehyde plus that Me means what? Methyl. That is what? Methyl alcohol. Then again lithium aluminum hydride react and followed by acid hydrolysis. So already this mechanism we discussed now. Aldehyde is what? Reduced to alcohol. Very simple. Now see here we have the one compound here. So this is what? This is also ester, this is also ester. But this is what? Cyclic ester. This is called what? Lactone. ये जो एस्टर है मैंने क्या बताया था आपको? ब्रेक करना है methoxy group. Just break it. And this O become to OH. Yes. Then this become to aldehyde. But aldehyde again reduced to what? Alcohol. So it become to OH. And this ketone of course reduced to alcohol. This is what? Your final products. And if you want, you can write the mechanism here. See here, this is the one ester I took. This is what is the name of this compound? That is what? Methyl propanoate. 1, 2, 3 propanoate. Initially this is what? Lithium aluminum hydride. Here what? Lithium is there, but no need to represent every time. So that is what? AlH4 minus. So this hydride ion attack here, oxygen get the negative charge. So what you get? This methoxy group is what? Good living group. So this negative charge again what? Form the double bond. So you are getting what? Methoxy group is out. So this minus is present with lithium. Now this is aldehyde. Then same story. You know that ना? अब हमें तो पता है ना aldehyde कैसे alcohol में convert होता है in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. That is वही mechanism होगा. So this hydride will attack here. So O minus. Then आपको acid workup करेंगे तो O minus will take the H plus ion. So you are getting what? Alcohol. But आपको ये mechanism कोई जरूरत नहीं है. तो आपको simple इसको break करना है, aldehyde बनाना है. Then aldehyde is converted into what? Alcohol. Okay guys. Now next, reduction of acid chloride. So see here, instead of यहाँ पे हमने क्या रखा था वहाँ पे ester में और OR है. So instead, see this is considered OR like ester. Are you getting my point? But initially what? हमने cut कर दिया in the ester also we break like this one. So you are getting what? Aldehyde. And the byproduct is what? HCl is out. Then aldehyde again reduced to what? Again reduced to alcohol. Very simple. Understood? For example, if you take this one, see here. Take one example. This is your ester C2H5 and this is what? Your acid chloride. This is what? One ketone. Now here also one aldehyde. See all group, all aldehyde, ketone, ester all reduced. Same reagent. Lithium aluminum hydride followed by acid hydrolysis. What do you get here? First we will start with the ketone. This ketone is reduced to alcohol. Yes, alcohol. And now see this ester. Ester में हमें यहाँ से break करना है. So this group is what? Become to alcohol OH. Byproduct है ethyl alcohol. So we will cut this. HCl is out. This carbonyl become to again alcohol. Then remaining is what? This is what? Aldehyde. this aldehyde is also converted into alcohol. This is your final products. Clear? So mechanism ester, the mechanism of the ester and mechanism of acid chloride is similar. Instead of OR, we have to consider Cl. That's it. Now next is 1 minute. Okay, next. Reduction of carboxylic acid. So here also mechanism not it, but I given here. Very simple. Reduction of carboxylic acid. Like ester, like acid chloride. Just break it here. So what you will get? I am writing here. Initially you will get what? Aldehyde. Because lithium aluminum hydride provide 2 hydrogens. Aldehyde you will get. Plus water molecule is out. Then what? Aldehyde again react with what? Lithium aluminum hydride followed by acid hydrolysis, and you are getting what? Alcohol. Same. Here also see carboxylic acid, first break it. You will get what? Benzaldehyde. So you will get what? Benzaldehyde and with removal of water molecule. And this benzaldehyde again react with lithium aluminum hydride. Then it is reduced to benzyl alcohol. So this is very simple. So if you want to write the mechanisms here, so carboxylic acid is initially what? Acidic in nature, they will give H plus ion. Lithium, see lithium aluminum hydride. This H minus is act as a base. So first H minus will take this H plus. So H2 gas is evolved out. Okay, at the same time this is what participate in the resonance and oxygen get the negative charge. That negative charge is what? Combined with AlH3. Are you getting my point? See here. First you will get the oxygen negative charge and this negative charge is combined with AlH3. So you are getting this compound. Now again what? So new hydride donor will come. See this is lithium, AlH3 become to Al minus. Now this hydride ion attack at this point. Now oxygen get what? Negative charge. Understood? Now see here. So this negative charge again it will form the pi bond. So this is what? That is aluminum along with oxide is removed. This is what? You are getting aldehyde. Now again same story. So aldehyde is what? Reduced to alcohol. We know that. How this aldehyde reduced to alcohol. Okay? Copy it. Next. Reduction of amide. This is very important. Reduction of amide. Because reduction of amide does not give alcohol. It gives amine. See here. Amide also undergoes 2 successive addition of hydride ion when they react with lithium aluminum hydride. And the product is what? Amine. So primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine can be formed depending on what number of substituents bonded to the nitrogen atom. So this is what? NH2, C double bond O NH2 means what? Primary amide, 1 degree amide. Clear? So when it is react with lithium aluminum hydride followed by acid workup, water. So here what? You will not get alcohol. Why? Because NH2 is what? Bad leaving group. Here see I am writing. NH2 minus, this is what? Bad leaving group. Leaving group. So already you must have studied in SN1, SN2, bad leaving group. Now see here. So that's why this NH2 is not out. So lithium aluminum hydride provide the 4 hydrogen. 2 hydrogen combined with this oxygen. So removal of water molecule will take place. And 2 hydrogens combined with this carbon atom. That carbon atom is what? Become to CH2. So you are getting amine. So if you take this is what primary, this is only NH. This is what secondary amine. If you take secondary amide, if you take, so just remove the oxygen and C become to CH2. You are getting what? Secondary amine. So this is what? Lactam, cyclic amide. Just remove the oxygen as a water molecule. And this group, this carbon atom is converted into CH2. This is what? Reduction of amide by using the lithium aluminum hydride. Understood? Now we'll discuss its mechanism. See here. So I am taking one primary amide here. See primary amide. So initially what? This amide having what? H, no? This is what? Little bit acidic hydrogen. So because this is what? Electron withdrawing group. So here resonance will take place. So this H minus hydride ion will take this H. Okay, now resonance oxygen get the negative charge. So H2 gas is evolved out. This H minus, H plus, H2 gas. Then O is what? React with lithium aluminum hydride. So you are getting one complex. then what, that aluminum get the negative charge. Now here what, H minus hydride donor is available, this donor, this H minus again attack at this point. Now here double bond is there na, so this pi electron transfer to nitrogen. Now see here, one hydrogen attached to carbon atom, this nitrogen get the negative charge, but nitrogen is a bad leaving group, so that what, here this nitrogen will form the pi bond. In the ester case what, ester, this OR is removed and this oxygen form the pi bond, but in this case nitrogen will form and this group is out. Now see here, you are getting one imine, and here second addition of hydride will takes place. Now lithium aluminum hydride will come one more, one hydride transfer at this position. Now this nitrogen will take the what, negative charge, and this negative charge will take the H plus from the water molecule. Finally you are getting what, secondary amine, 2 degree amine. So this is what amine, secondary, not, this is not amide, this is what, secondary amine. क्लियर गाइस, समझ में आया? तो लेकिन आपको सिंपल में क्या याद रखना है, द सिंपल रिएक्शन व्हाट, whenever you see amide, so when it is treated with what, lithium aluminum hydride followed by acid hydrolysis. Okay, what happened, just remove the oxygen and that carbon is converted into CH2. just रट लो इसको आप, क्लियर, बाहट इट. Next, reduction of acid anhydride. It is also very simple again. See here, reduction of, this is the sixth functional group, reduction of acid anhydride. So this lithium aluminum hydride provide the 2 hydrogen, so just cut it, no need to study any mechanism. So you will get what, 2 moles of aldehyde, and after you know that aldehyde reduced to what, alcohol, you know that reaction already I discussed the mechanism, so it is converted into what, 2 moles of alcohol. Now suppose if you take one more example, see here, this is what, succinic anhydride, cyclic anhydride. So suppose if you treat with lithium aluminum hydride and followed by acid hydrolysis, what would be the product? Same, break it like this, this oxygen is eliminated as a water molecule, and here you will get the aldehyde, that aldehyde is what, again reduced to alcohol. Understood? Very good. Now take the second, that is a reduction of cyanide. So this lithium aluminum hydride give the 4 hydrogens here, 4 hydride ion. So triple bond will break, so addition of hydrogen will take place, C become 2 CH2, N become 2 NH2. Understood? For example, if you take, this is what, C triple bond N. So this is what, benzene nitrile. So if you reduce by using lithium aluminum hydride and followed by acid hydrolysis, so what happened here? So this is what, again C become 2 CH2 and N become 2 NH2. Understood? Okay, now see the next functional group, that is the 8th one, that is reduction of nitro compound. This is also very important reaction. Okay, see here, normally this is what, CH3NO2 means, this is called nitroalkane. Okay, reduction means what, addition of hydrogen, removal of water molecule. So this lithium aluminum hydride provide the hydrogens, so 2 hydrogen add to this nitrogen, so nitrogen become 2 NH2, and that oxygen is removed as a water molecule, 2 moles of water molecule. Clear? So NO2 group is converted into what, NH2 group. But here see, in the, this is what, exceptional case, this is what, exception. But when nitrobenzene react with lithium aluminum hydride, so NO2 is not converted into NH2, so you will get azobenzene. So keep in your mind, 2 moles will react, 2 nitrogens will combine, you will get what, azobenzene. There is no mechanism, keep in your mind. Understood? So normally, simply if you take, suppose here, this is what, one compound. So this is what, not nitrobenzene, because NO2 group is not directly attached to benzene ring. Suppose if you use lithium aluminum hydride, बराबर, अगर यूज किया आपने, क्या होगा, तो यहाँ पे जो NO2 ग्रुप है वो डायरेक्टली बेंजीन के साथ अटैचमेंट नहीं है, यहाँ पे अटैचमेंट है, सो इट विल कन्वर्टेड इनटू आजोबेंजीन, बट दिस NO2 group is what normally reduction reduced to what NH2 group. So NO2 group is what reduced to NH2. This is what you are getting amine. Understood guys, all of you? Very good. Now see here, the ninth one, reduction of alkyl azide. This is what alkyl azide, we can also write RN3, N3, but actual structure is what N single bond, N triple bond, N, and this is a positive charge. So this lithium aluminum hydride, so reduce this azide, so this it provide the two hydrogens, so this nitrogen is converted into NH2, and this what N triple bond N is what remove as a N2 gas. Clear guys? So how do you get alkyl azide? For example, let me give an example. So very simple. So if you take this one alkyl halide, alkyl halide, when treated with sodium azide, so N minus, so N minus is good nucleophile, so you will get what here? Alkyl azide. And if you do the reduction by using the lithium aluminum hydride, so this alkyl azide is converted into what? Again amine, and N2 gas is evolved out. Okay guys, this is what story of the reduction of alkyl azide. Okay, next, this is the ninth functional group. So far we discussed 9 functional group. The next is the next functional group reduced by the lithium aluminum hydride is what? Reduction of oxime. This is what? Oxime. So already you know that what is the oxime. Oxime, how do you get when aldehyde ketone? See, let me explain here. Take the any carbonyl group. So when carbonyl group is react with what? Hydroxylamine. This is what? Hydroxylamine. In the slightly acidic condition on heating, क्या होगा बेटा? So simple, this oxygen, ये जो oxygen है ना, so this oxygen will combined with this 2 hydrogen, removal of water molecule will takes place, and you will get, this is what? Oxime. This is called oxime. So if aldehyde, if the reactant is aldehyde, that is called aldoxime. If the reactant is a ketone, so you will get the ketoxymes. Now when you reduce the, this is what? Oxime. So when you treat the oxime with lithium aluminum hydride, what happened here? One hydrogen add here, so removal of water molecule will takes place, and this double bond also become to single bond, 2 hydrogen will attached, then water molecule is out. For example, see, this is what? Cyclohexanone, the hydroxylamine, and a slightly acidic condition, if you heat this compound, so what you get? Removal of water molecule will takes place, this 2 hydrogens combined with oxygen, you are getting what? Oxime. This is called, ये हम बोलेंगे ketoxime. Then after reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, what happened now? So that double bond become to single bond, so you are getting what? Amine. Yes, clear? Very good. One minute. Okay, now see the next functional group, that is, see, reduction of unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, see here, in the unsaturated hydrocarbon, this is what? Alkene. Alkene when treated with lithium aluminum hydride, no reaction will take place. Clear? No reaction. Alkene कब reduction होगा? When in the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, and when the phenyl group is attached to that pi bond, then only it will reduced. Suppose, see, again I am repeating, suppose this is what? One compound, pi bond is there, this is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. If the phenyl group is attached, then only reduction will takes place, lithium aluminum hydride, then pi bond reduced to single bond, in this case only. Now see here, this is what? Triple bond reduced to double bond. This aluminum hydride gives the 2 hydrogen, but these 2 hydrogens are attached in opposite direction. This is called anti-addition. So you will get always transalkene. So where do you get transalkene? In hydrocarbon C, preparation of alkene from alkyne, Lindlar's catalyst, from Lindlar's catalyst gives what? Cisalkene, and Birch reduction gives what? Transalkene. Like this only. Now see, next is the reduction of epoxide. This is the epoxide. Normally see, this lithium aluminum hydride gives what? H minus ion. H minus ion. Here what? Nucleophilic substitution reaction. So lithium aluminum hydride always gives SN2 reaction. H minus is what? Strong nucleophile. So this strong, in the SN2 reaction, the nucleophile will attack from backside of the leaving group. So this is one carbon atom, this is one carbon atom. Here see more substitution is there, CH3 is there. So this CH3 will shows the crowding. Here what, this is less substituted, so that what, this hydride ion attack at this point, SN2 reaction. So O get what? Negative charge. CH3 and hydride ion attack over there. And this O get what? Negative charge. This O minus will take the H plus ion from the carboxylic acid. So you will get, this is the final product. Understood? So lithium aluminum hydride always gives SN2 reaction, keep in your mind. Next guys, see here. Reduction of alkyl halide. This is the 14th. Last one, see here. So this is which alkyl halide? This is what? Primary alkyl halide. This is what? Primary alkyl halide. So primary alkyl halide gives SN2 reaction, we know that. No crowding. So this H minus, lithium aluminum hydride gives SN2 reaction, H minus attack from the backside. Okay, now you will get what? Alkane, CH3 and CH3. And see here, this is what? Secondary, this is what? Secondary alkyl halide. So here also secondary alkyl halide also gives SN2 reaction. Lithium aluminum hydride gives which reaction? SN2 reaction. So this will attack from the backside and Cl is out. So in this case you are getting what? Propane. Okay. Then last is what? 3 degree. So tertiary alkyl halide does not give SN1 reaction. They will give only SN1. But here what? Your H minus is what? Strong nucleophile. It can also act as a base. So this one, H minus will take this H at a beta carbon atom. Then this electron form the pi bond. Cl is out. Now see, the tertiary alkyl halide gives E2 reaction. This is called what? E2 elimination reaction. Primary gives SN2, secondary gives SN2, but tertiary alcohol gives what? E2 reaction. That is bimolecular elimination reaction. Understood guys? So this is the what? Reduction of organic compound by lithium aluminum hydride. Okay. Now see, I will give some homework questions. So you have to practice it. See here. Now problem number 1. See, reduction of, this is carboxylic acid. Here this is what? Ketonic group. And I am using here lithium aluminum hydride followed by acid autolysis. So in the all reaction only this will you have to take. Now one more, second example. See here. This is what? One ester. And here what? This is one carboxylic acid again. So here this is what? NO2 group. And this is what? Ester. And one more, see. Yes, enjoy करो प्रॉब्लम के साथ. हाँ, बड़ा बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. तो नाउ सी थर्ड क्वेश्चन. और एक क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूं, सुनो. सपोज यू हैव द बेंजीन. दिस इज व्हाट? बेंजाल्डिहाइड. ओके. नाउ सी, this is what? Your Br. This is CH3 and same reagent. Now fourth question. See here. This is what? Your NO2 group. This is ketonic group. Now this is what? One ketonic group. And here what? Same lithium aluminum hydride followed by acid autolysis. Then last total 5 problem there are 5 problems. I will also solve this one. Don't worry. Suppose now see here. This is NO2. Carboxylic acid. Now here pi bond. Now this is what? pH. And here also one ketonic group is there. Yes, भाई एंजॉय करो प्रॉब्लम के साथ. These are the homework problems and see solution क्या है इसका. शॉर्टकट में दे रहा हूं, देखो solution. Carboxylic acid what? Alcohol. and ketone is also alcohol. So what would be the product? So this is what OH, and ये जो carbonyl group है that is also OH. Now in this case see ester पहले यहाँ से break होगा ना, ester will break, then carboxylic acid become to alcohol, this aldehyde reduced to alcohol, NO2 group is reduced to NH2 group. So see this is what ester become to alcohol. Now this is what OH, this carboxylic acid become to OH and aldehyde become to OH, then this NO2 become to NH2. समझ में आ रहा है ना क्या बता रहा हूं? Now same reagent, aldehyde what? Reduced to alcohol. Simple. Now see this one, this is what secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide would reduce to what? Alkane. In this case simple yaar, this become to alcohol, this become to alcohol, this is what? NH2. So in this case what? This is what? Alcohol, this is also alcohol, NO2 group become to NH2. See here, pi bond reduced. Why? Because pi bond attached to phenyl group. Understood guys? All of you? So these are the very, very important reactions of the lithium aluminum hydride. Now see, so the all reactions I am giving in the summary. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot here. See, all reactions are combined here. Summary of the reaction. So what? Aldehyde reduced to alcohol, ketone reduced to alcohol, carboxylic acid reduced to alcohol, ester reduced to alcohol, amide reduced to amine. This is very, very important. And see, acid chloride to alcohol, anhydride to alcohol, cyanide reduced to amine. So this is alkyl azide reduced to amine, oximes reduced to amine. This is what? Nitrobenzene not reduced to aniline, it is reduced to azobenzene. This is called what? Azobenzene. Already I given. And this is nitroalkane reduced to amines. Alkene no reaction will take place, but alkyne transalkene you will get. So this is a summary. Okay guys? Okay, now I am going to wind up the class now. Okay, thank you all of you. So please if you like my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel SK Chemistry Academy, and please share the videos to your friends so that they can also take the benefit. And this is what it is, very, very important reaction for JEE Advanced and JEE Mains and the NEET. Okay, please guys subscribe my YouTube channel SK Chemistry Academy. Thank you all of you.